just thank you all for being here. We're going to finish out with a traditional
Lone Hour Rose.
hymn.
It was it's a carol. Yeah, it's one of my favorite, but it was one of my granddad's favorite songs. So this is a little homage to him.
Pretend this song was before the last one. During the last song, I thought, oh yeah, we have another song. That's how that goes.
All right, here we go.
Roses are blooming from tender stem hath sprung of Jesse's lineage coming as those of old have sung. It came a flowered bright amid the cold of winter, when half spent was the night. Isaiah twice foretold it, the rose I have in mind. With Mary we behold it, the Virgin Mother kind, to show God's love aright. She bore to us a Savior, when half spent was the night. Oh, flower whose fragrance tender with sweetness fills the air, dispelling glorious splendor the darkness everywhere. True man, yet very God,